how to log in Synchrony Bank Online Banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into Synchrony Bank Online Banking account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.synchronybank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Synchrony Bank. Here on the top right, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that. You will now see three options here. You can choose to sign in to Synchrony savings account, or you can choose to sign in to your Synchrony MasterCard, or you can tap on the click here link in order to sign into other retail cards. So go ahead and choose the best suited option for you. You will now be asked to enter your username and password, so go ahead and enter that. You can also tap on the Remember Username option if you want the device to remember your username for future purpose. Now, tap on the Sign In button and with this you will be successfully signed in to Synchrony Bank account. Just in case if you have forgotten your username or password, you can always tap on the Forgot Username or Password option and recover your login credentials. Also, if you have not registered to Synchrony Bank account yet, then you can tap on the Register for Online Access link and fill in the required details and register yourself to Synchrony Bank Online Banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.